I'm gonna do some work on rear drive line on the 2008 Dodge Ram, the 6.7. So I pull it out already. That's the problem. I'll show you over here. Look at that piece missing. So this is all, it's not supposed to do that. This is really bad. And I'm gonna change the X from inside. I'll keep everything, all the parts I'll keep, except just the X from inside. I'll change it. I bought one from Napa. They're like 45 bucks or something. But yeah, this is bad. Really bad. Look at that. So to pull the X, every side you'll have like a little plastic like that, like right here, everywhere. To pull them out, I'll just cut them. Okay, the reason I'm cutting is to be same level as the metal, straight. That way I can drill them easier. You want to get a same size drill bit so you don't make the hole bigger than it is, and then just drill the plastic out. Yep, until it's clear. Do that on all of them. So go ahead and spray with some W40 to eat the rust a little bit, and will make it more slippery to come out because it's hard to get it out. And then find yourself a good size socket that fits inside, because you're gonna have to beat it really hard, and not to damage your fingers. Go ahead and use something like that to hold it down a little bit, but it will clear barely. You can't go too far down because you're touching on the bottom over there. Now I'll have to try to use a primer. Needs to go more down. There it is. So I got that one out. Now this one is going to be a little harder because the piece is so small, it's going to be hard to hold it and beat it. But yeah, this one is next. That's all the pieces came out. Bad. So I got it out, but not completely. because this doesn't move too far that way to pull it out, but still working on it. That's it. So you see what I did? I kind of trying to create a little bit of space to put the socket in, and then when I'm biting in, it pushing this farther and just pops out. Now that's the other thing they gotta take it off. There he is. Now we're gonna go for the new one. The new part it's in, and I didn't make a video how I put it because I tried to figure out how it goes in, but now that I know, I'll show you how it goes in when I'll do this part over here, because it's the same. Now remember when I was drilling the plastics out of these holes? Yeah, you don't put nothing anymore because the new part comes with this stops over here, and that's why if you see there's like a little gap right there, and after you bring the new piece in from this side, you put that inside the little gap, the stop, that way it'll never come out. That's it. So you want to pull this out, but be really careful because there's like a lot of little those lines that they fall down. And pull this one out too. Now put it inside. That's the only one way that's gonna fit, and then bring it in. Now when you bit this, you gotta make sure that it's inside, so you're not gonna lose the little pieces from inside right there. That's why I'm lifting up. It's inside that, and then I beat it slowly. Yeah, so you beat it until it's flush, and then use the same socket you're using to pull it out, and then go even more. Don't go any lower than the gap is for the stopper. Now put the stopper on this side, and then you can spin this around and work on your second piece. Around. This is how it looks. And then this is how it's gonna go inside right there. A little more. Okay. And this is how it's done. Right there. So that's the transfer case right there. I'll try to work with one hand and videotape with other one. All you want to do is stick that inside. Oh yeah, like butter. It's in. Now on this side, you got 4 15mm bolts. And I got the trade locker. You have to use this so you don't lose your bolts. That's the fun part, when you get to put everything back. It's back together. So there's the 4 bolts I was talking about, 15mm. That's all it takes to hold the drive line. And this is the rear of the truck. Yep, that's the drive line. Thanks for help, I mean.
You're welcome.
And it goes to the center and to the transfer case right here. Well, my work is done here, so now it's your turn. Enjoy it.